you solve this amazing problem on the board? If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. Okay, we have 4 power x plus 4 power x is equals to 48. Our goal here is to find the value of x that can satisfy the equation on the board. So what do you observe? We have 4 power x in two places. So we can now write it as 2 lots of 4 power x, and that's equals to what? 48. What do you observe? Since you have 2, we can divide the left and the right hand side by 2. If you divide by 2, you divide by 2. Once you divide by 2, you have it that 4 power x is equals to 24. Reason behind this is that 48 divided by 2 is 24. Then again, you can now say 4 power x is 24. What then will be the value of x? Can I actually express 4 and 24 to be in common base? No. So if you can't, you easily take the logarithm of both sides. So if you take the logarithm of both sides, you have it as log 4 power x is equals to the log of 24. The reason why we took the logarithm is that so that we can multiply the power to the log. Logarithm allows that. So you have it that x log 4 is equals to log 24. Then the next thing you do is to get the value of x by dividing the left and the right hand side by log 4 and dividing by log 4. Once you divide by log 4, what do you observe? That x is equals to log 24 divided by log 4. So all our goal now is to simplify the term we have already. Remember, 24 can be seen as the product of 4 and 6. So we can now write x to be equal to log of 4 times 6, then divided by log 4. Okay? So if you have this, you can now see once we are multiplying in the same base, we are free to separate the log. So we have it that this is equals to log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. The next thing we do is just to split the fraction. And this is the same thing as log 4 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. So here you see that x will be equals to log 4 cancels out log 4. We are having 1 plus. Here we can use change of base. Okay. Since they are of the same common base 10, we can write it to be log using the denominator as the base 4 of 6. And this is the value for x. So x is equals to 1 plus log of base 4 of 6. If you found the video interesting, please like, comment, share the video to your friends, and let's know their thoughts about the method. See you some other time. Bye.